Class, our today's new topic is metric measures. So class, in this chapter we are talking about metric system. So in metric system there are three important terms are here: meter, gram and liter, and these three terms are define particular things. So if I am talking about meter, it is used for measuring length. If I am talking about gram, then it is used for measuring weight. And if I am talking about liter, it is for measuring capacity. So whenever you will see these words class, they show you the specific direction. Meter shows you that they are talking about length. If you can see gram, they are talking about weight. If there is a liter, it means they are discussing about capacity. So to understand all these, we have to remember some prefixes class, like kilo. Anywhere class, if kilo is written, the meaning of kilo is multiply by 1000. Suppose class, I am talking about 5 kilo. Now I am using meter in this time. Meter. So the meaning is 5 is your number, kilo means multiply by 1000, and there is a meter. So that is equal to 5000 meter. If I am talking about 6 kilogram, then class 6 kilo means multiply by 1000 and gram is here, so multiply by gram. So that is equal to 6000 gram. If I am talking about 8 kilo liter, the meaning is 8 into 1000 into liter. So 8 into 1000, 8000 liter. If I am talking about hecto, hecto means class multiply by 100. So again, if I am using 2 hecto, and if this hecto is before meter, 2 hectometer, the meaning is 2 hecto means multiply by 100 into meter, 200 meter. If I am talking about 3 hectogram, the meaning is 3 into 100 into gram, 300 gram. If I am talking about 6 hectoliter, the meaning is 6 into 100 into liter, so 600 liter. So only you understand the value of these prefixes. Kilo means 1000, hecto means 100. Now deca, deca means multiply by 10. If I am talking about 4 decameter, the meaning is 4 into deca, 10 into meter, 40 meter. If I am talking about 6 decagram, so 6 into deca means multiply by 10 into gram. So your unit should be their class, gram. 6 into 10, 60 gram. If I am talking about 9, the meaning is 9 into 10 into liter, so 90 liter. If I am talking about deci class, deci means divide by 10. Suppose I am talking about 50 decimeter, the meaning is 50 divide by 10. Deci means class divide by 10 and meter. So 50 divided by 10 means class 5 meter. If I am talking about 700 decigram, the meaning is 700 and deci means class divide by 10 gram, so 70 gram. If I am talking about 80 deciliter, the meaning is 80 divided by 10 liter, 8 liter. So 80 deciliter means class 8 liter. Now if I am talking about centi, the meaning is divide by 100. 800 centimeter. The meaning is 800 centi means class, divide by 100 and meter is here, so that is equal to 8 meter. 800 divided by 100, that is equal to 8 meter. If I am talking about 1000 centigram, the meaning is 1000 centi means class, divide by 100 gram, it means 10 gram. So 1000 centigram means 1000 divided by 100, that is equal to 10 gram. If I am talking about 2000 centiliter, at that time 2000 divided by 100 liter, so we can see 20 liter. If I am talking about milli class, its meaning is divide by 1000. 2000 millimeter, the meaning is 2000 divided by 1000 meter, it means 2 meter. If I am talking about 4000 milligram, the meaning is 4000 divided by 1000 gram, 4 gram. If I am talking about 1000 milliliter, at that time 1000 divided by 1000 liter, 1 liter. So class, whatever I explained you can see all these things in this table. So by this table you can easily understand what is the meaning of kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi and milli.